Hey everybody, welcome back to High Country Cooking with Chewy. You know it, I'm your new skinny chef Chewy. Today, I got a healthy one for you, real easy to make. How about stuffed avocado salad? I've got a chicken one and I've got a tuna one. So these things are going to be killer. Stick around, you're going to like this. Yeah, these things, they definitely don't suck. Alright, this is everything I'm going to use to make the stuffed avocado salad. I've got here about 1/3 of a cup each of onions and chopped up red bell pepper. I've got half of a medium size jalapeno. I've got half of a medium size Roma tomato that I chopped up pretty fine. Then the other half I just did slices with. I got the juice from half of a medium-sized lemon, or you could use lime, whichever you have on hand. I've got a few slices of some Colby Jack, a little bit of shredded mozzarella. I got two medium large size avocados, a can of albacore tuna, and a can of chunk chicken breast, because I'm going to do this 2 different ways. So let's get this thrown together. And alright, first thing I want to do is get my peppers, onions. We're going to throw them in this little pan here and get them sauteed, but we're not going to brown them. We're just going to pretty much sweat them out until the onions turn translucent. Now I put a little bit of olive oil in the pan for an oil instead of using butter. As you can see, my onions are starting to turn translucent and my peppers are getting nice and soft now. So all I'm going to do is pull this off the heat and meet you back over at the counter. Alright, next thing I want to do is take my avocado and we're going to cut it in half. Give it a little twist. Get that seed out of there. And get a large size spoon. We're going to scoop out the inside of this avocado. Make sure you save your avocado shells, because that's what we're going to stuff them in. Now we're going to take half of our pepper and onion mixture, since I'm making 2 different kinds of stuffed peppers, or stuffed avocado. Throw that in there with the avocado, along with half of our chopped up tomato, our can of tuna. Make sure you use a quality tuna, not that stuff soaked in oil. I'm using a white albacore that was in water. We'll put in about half of our lime or lemon juice. And then just start mashing it up till you get it to the consistency you want. Alright, now we're going to take our avocado mixture. I got it nice and smooth to the consistency I like it. We're going to stuff this back in the avocado shell. Then we're just going to place it on a baking sheet. So let me get this other one stuffed. I'll bring it right back. Alright, got both my shells stuffed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sliced Roma, place about 3 half slices on top. Kind of get them to sit as flat as you can. And for my tuna ones, I'm going to use some sliced Colby Jack. Just lay out those slices right on the top. just like that. So let's get this chicken ones thrown together. Alright, now these chicken ones, same thing. Split your avocado in half, pop out the seed, scoop out the avocado from the shell. Add in the other half of my peppers and onions. The rest of my chopped up tomato. My can of chicken breast. Rest of our lime juice or lemon juice. And just like the tuna, we're going to mash it up. Alright, got it all nice and mixed up. Just grab my baking sheet, lay out my avocado shells, start stuffing it in there. Alright, got my avocado mixture back in there. Gonna take my tomato, lay it on the top. Now the chicken ones, I'm gonna cover with some shredded mozzarella. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to go pop it in a preheated broiler, set it around 500 degrees until the cheese gets all nice and melty schmelty and ooey gooey. Alright, underneath the broiler these things go. Now make sure you keep an eye on them so your cheese doesn't burn. And just like that, through the miracle of editing, these babies are done. So let's go get these plated up. Alright, get this thing plated up. Grab one of these avocado shells. See if we get a nice little cheese pull here. Oh yeah, that's definitely done. So let's give this a try and see how it is. Now you can also use this as a sandwich spread, which works very well. Instead of using mayonnaise or anything like that in your tuna salad, just use some avocado. Alright, let's give these a try. Let's give this tuna one here a try first. Nice and cheesy. Slice of tomato on top. Gives it a real nice flavor. Really creamy. Let's give this other one a try here. Just as good as the tuna. Get the slightest little hint of bite from the jalapeno, not really too bad. Onions are nice and soft, so are the peppers. I definitely recommend these things. Super healthy, no added salt. Definitely got to give these a try. Hey, remember you like what you see? Don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down there. And always remember, wait a minute, how am I going to end these now? Well, hey, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you think I should end these videos. And as always, remember, stick around. There's more to come.